friends, it's me, your favorite hooded YouTuber. And today we are doing a toy review. Yup. We've never done one of these before, so I'm a little excited for it. I hope you guys enjoy. So, I want to show you Unirainbow. I'm firstly showing you my unicorns. My mom, Alex, got me this for one of my birthdays. I don't remember which one, but this is Unirainbow. I named her. She has a tiny hole somewhere. There's a hole on her somewhere, I think. Yeah, right here, there's a hole, but maybe that could just be sewed back, but it doesn't really matter. So, this is her. I'm showing you quite a lot of toys today. So that's Unirainbow. I already showed that one. This is the first toy I got from New York Fair, not the other one from any other videos, but I got this one from New York Fair last year, which was the first time I've ever been there. This one is Cotton Candy. She is also one of the small toys I got from the duck game. She is, yeah, she's a national prize toy. It's all new material. Yeah, I was reading that from this. Still, I tell you, I recommend going to the York Fair. It's right like that. And you already know this one. This is Unistar, the one I'm going to give to Chloe for her birthday. She has, you can use her as an ASMR character for a video. This is a toy I got from, I got this one from a field trip. We went on a field trip in school last year, I think. No, it was in 3rd grade, 2 years ago, when I did not have a YouTube channel. But I didn't have a YouTube channel at that time. But I did get this at the Jenny Wade House gift shop. That's where I got it. I named her Ambulance Green Bean because she looks like a medicine cat. Like she could be a warrior cat's medicine cat. She could be, it looks like she would be related to Spotted Leaf. And my sister got me this little slap bracelet thing. She got this for me, and I decided to put it on my cat because, well, she can have it off, but if it's off for over 5 minutes, she'll turn into a cat frog. Me and my friend Elena made that up. This I got at a wolf center, like where you get to see the wolves and stuff, like, and about them and learn about them. This was in a gift shop. I got this from my classmate Melissa 2 years ago, and I got this from my friend Jillian 2 years ago. And as you can see, I actually put designs on this one, and this one has a cool mark on it. Cool marks on it. So, this is the mom. I don't have the others. These are my Hickory Falls toys. So I won this. Hold on a second. Sorry, I had to give the phone to my mom. Great grandma. This is the dice that I won for 50 tickets because I from the arcade games at Hickory Falls, Hanover, I got 900 and something tickets, but this was 50. I won this. It's a little cat emoji. Say hello. Ooh. Yeah, this is a little stress guy. My friend Molly wants them so bad. I won this one. These were each 120 tickets. I won this one. Something happened to this one. I was trying to fill in the black for this one, and it got ruined. So because the black was fading away, but so and you've already seen this one too. It's an alicorn. I named it Diamond. Speaking of that, I need to get the second part for that Minute Maid video. Link in the description, I guess. It'll say hashtag Minute Maid videos for the Yeeters. I don't know. Probably not going to do that because I don't really get the idea for that. But here she is. I have Pomsies. I named this one Pinky and this one Neon. This one, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, so that's those. Let me show you the boyish ones I have. My brother gave this to me not too long ago. It's a helicopter. Yeah, I'm not into boy stuff that much anymore though. And then I have 3 fidget spinners I want to show you. Just gonna play this down. I have this one. Try and guess what on the other side is. I'll give you 5 seconds to figure it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you figure it out? Yeah. I had Zelda on the bag. I painted that. If you see this, classmates, don't get mad. I painted this one. I liked Zelda. What are you doing in my YouTube video? Traitor. I have this black one, which is kind of broken. You see, there's a little crack right there, but which actually is cool because I can take this little weight out, and it does. the weirdest thing. I don't know where, but it feels really weird when you do it. Oh, yeah. And you can pop it, and the only difference is you can just pop it right back in. And my brother gave oldest brother Brian gave this one fidget spinner to my brother, and my brother gave that fidget spinner to me when I was at his house for Thanksgiving last year. Xbox. Yup. So that's those. Well, I think that is it. Your favorite Bible-loving, feather-covered YouTuber. Does SS Sniper Wolf say that? Nope. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching your favorite wolf-loving YouTuber, your favorite hooded YouTuber. Bye. Bye, haters. Thanks for watching. Bye.